Hi, this is Chris Heisey. I'm here at 313 Sunray in Abingdon at a beautiful townhouse. I just wanted to show you some of the lovely updates they've done and maybe give you some inspiration for what you want when you're looking in a townhome or what you could make yours become. Hang on, here we're going to go right inside. Couple steps here. Nice storm doors. These are all hardwood cherry floors, and you can see the variation in the finishes. That's part of the natural cherry and how it can really just tie this whole townhouse together to have the same flooring all on the main floor. If you look, they've got nice blinds in the bump out window. The little opening here between the living room and kitchen. And it's a very, very nice sized kitchen. So lots and lots of light, upgraded appliances, a really nice tile backsplash, and just a general color that just makes it all tie together. Granite, it does have a little OG edge on it. And here we have a walkout to a nice sized deck and a yard with fence and two not sure, I think they're plum trees. Anyway, and if you look down below, there's a second patio to the bottom. If you have any questions, stop by and see me. I will be here till 2 o'clock. It's 313 Sunray in Constant Friendship. Have a great day.